Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also and waiting for the videos also, right? Today I am here with another video of chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Who I Am. Who I am. Ask yourself what you are. Who are you? Obviously you will say I am a student, or you will say I am Akash, or you will say I am uh, Kaya, Kyle, or you will say I will Mitraj, like that. So that is your name. What is your name? But who I am? What is your identification? Okay, name, it is different thing, but when someone is asking who I am or what you are, that is your identification, right? You are a boy, you are a girl, you are a teacher, you are a doctor, you are a pilot. That is your identification. In this story you will come to know few characters are there, and all they are having their own aims, all they are having their aim in life. And we also have no, we also like to dream, like to have an aim in life, and according to that only we get prepared, right? So in this chapter you will come to know some characters are there, those who are unique in their own character, right? Very special in their own character. So each of us is different from uh, others. No one is same with others. No one is same to each other. All are having different characteristics. All are having different um, views. All are having different thinkings. All are having different aims also. Okay, so everyone doesn't want to be doctor, everyone doesn't want to be teacher. So all are having different aims in life, right? And according to that, all are having their different likes also, likings. It's not possible to say कि I'm liking or I like to eat rice and dal, and he will also say like that, she will also say like that. It's not possible, okay? Because all are having different tastes also, right? All are having different choices also and tastes also. Okay, right from clothing, right from eating habits, and reading books also, all are having different tastes, okay? So this, in this chapter, described, it is described through some boys and girls. In this chapter they are Radha, Nasir, Rohit, Savrjit, Dolma and Peter. So how many characters are there? Radha is there, Nasir is there, Rohit is there, Savrjit is there, Dolma is there, and Peter is also there. So these many characters are there. Let us know about them one by one, okay? We'll come to know how they are different from each other, okay? Radha, first we'll come to know about Radha. Radha is an outgoing, bold girl. She is very smart, she is very outgoing, very smart, okay? Very witty also, bold also. She loves to go up the mango tree outside her house. She likes, so that is her liking. She likes to climb up mango trees, okay? She sits there comfortably. Her mother tells her not to take a chance or risk. She always likes to sit on the mango tree, and she is very comfortable over there. She sits there comfortably and like to sit over there. And her mother always says, don't go there, it's very risky, and why you are going to sit there, okay? Don't take a chance, okay? But one day her mother also climbed with her. Both of them talked and ate raw mangoes. So every day mother was saying ki don't go there, don't go there, don't go there, it's very risky, don't go there, don't take a chance, you may fall down. But one day what happened? Her mother also climbed up onto the mango tree and they enjoyed. So now then she came to know, oh my god, it's a very beautiful place, it's a beautiful place to sit over here. They, both of them were very comfortable over there, and they are talking also, they are eating mangoes also, okay? She felt strong and confident sitting there. So she also, her mother also felt very comfortable and uh, strong over there. yes, I'm also capable, I'm also able to sit on the mango tree, I'm able to climb the mango tree. And this is all about Radha, right? And Nasir. Nasir has cotton fields. Nasir has cotton fields in his village, right? His father buys new seeds to grow cotton plants every year. So as they are having cotton plants, so they have to sow the seeds, no? So because of that, Nasir's father every year he used to buy seeds, cotton seeds, and sow to grow new cotton plants. Okay, and that is very good job, a good business for them. They grow cottons, and after that they sell it out in the market, and this way they were earning. Okay, a long time ago the grandfather used to collect the seeds from his own plants. So purchasing seeds from the market and sowing and collecting seeds from their own field, from own cotton plants, that's totally different. Okay, it's like a hobby, you know. Okay, I will collect seeds from our own field, okay, from our own field where we are growing cotton plants. And purchasing, everything is possible to buy from the market, but thing is that collecting seeds from our own field or from our own place and reuse that seeds, that is totally different, and it's a very good job and interesting also, right? Now so what happened, Nasir's father spent money to buy new seeds every year. Nasir wants to become a seed collector in order to save money. So it's, see, we have to purchase from the market. If we are going to purchase seeds from the market, obviously you have to pay money. Okay, but Nasir thought, okay, it should not be continued. I want to be a seed collector. I do not want to waste money for purchasing seeds. So it's good, no? They are having their own cotton seeds fields, and from there itself he wants to collect seeds for next session, okay, next season. Okay, so this way he tried to save money. So Radha is totally different. She likes to sit on the mango trees, and she likes to spend time over there talking, eating everything. And one day mother also came to her way, and she also started enjoying with her. And now this is Nasir. His liking is collecting seeds in order to save money. Rohit is a dreamer. He has some ambitions. He wishes he had money to travel to various countries. He wants to visit the mountains of New Zealand. He lives on the sea beaches and sail down the Amazon River. Oh my God, can you imagine? He also wants to sail down the Amazon River, live on the sea beaches, and go to the Sun Temple in Orissa, the capital of China, or the pyramids of Egypt. He is a lover of nature. So he is having so many, you can say he is having dreams. Lots of dreams he is having. He wanted to visit that various places, various countries, and he mentioned whichever part or whichever things he want to, or whichever places he want to visit. All these are mentioned over here. He also wants to sail down the Amazon River. Oh my God, there also he wanted to sail, and he wants to live on the beaches of sea beaches, right? Then Amazon River, and then sea beaches, and go to the Sun Temple in Orissa. He wanted to visit, or he wants to visit that Orissa, the Sun Temple, which is in Orissa. Okay, and the capital of China, or pyramids of Egypt. All these he is having a big list. He is having a long list to visit that favorite places which he dreamed. Okay, so he is also totally different. He is totally a nature lover. Because of that, it is in his mind, I have to visit all these places, right? Savarjit gets angry when people disbelieve him. He is truthful. He tells his teacher truthfully. Why he couldn't do his homework, right? He tells his parents the fact that his little brother started the fight, but they think that he's telling lies. This makes him angry. So Savarjit, he is totally a truthful boy. He is very nice boy. He never says, he never lies or never says that which is not true. And he, if he doesn't complete his homework, then also he shares this or tells to his teacher. Sorry. And he tells his parents that what is the fact of that fighting with his brother, but no one is there to believe him, but they think that he is only lying. Okay, this makes him angry. He doesn't like that no one is believing, no one is liking, or no one is believing his truthfulness. Okay, he is not telling lie. Then also people, if they are not believing him, then he gets angry. He is very truthful boy. Because of that, he wants that all should believe him. Okay, so he doesn't like if someone is disbelieving or not believing him, and then he gets angry, right? He is that type of boy. Now Dalma dreams of becoming the Prime Minister of India. She is sure that her dream will come true. She doesn't mind if people laugh at her. And laugh at her high dreams, her high dreams. He is not he, she is very full of dreams. She is, okay, she is full of dreams. She wanted to, or she wants to become the Prime Minister of India. Then she is sure that she will become. So you can say that she is very strong and she is very determined about her dream that she is going to be the Prime Minister. And she is intelligent and do good. She is very intelligent also and do gooder, always doing good thing and always sees good thing among things and at everyone or everything, right? She wants to make things better for everyone. So she always tries to do better for others also. It's not like that for her only she is trying to do better. No, she is trying to do better things or better for everyone. Okay, she wants for the best hospitals and schools. So it is in her dream that she will try to construct, or she will try to build up that schools, good quality things, and that school should be with well constructed school she wants, and she wants to build many schools so that all can get chance to be educated over there, and hospitals also, so that people get help from that hospital and they get treated. Okay, and everything she wants to do in a better way, and everything she wants to see better. Okay, Peter enjoys going to see a film on the second Sunday of every month. He goes with his parents and brother. In the interval, his father buys peanuts for children. Okay, so Peter, he enjoys going to see or going to watch a movie on second Sunday, right? Every month second Sunday. So that is in their routine, you can say. They never forget that they have to go to watch a movie, and he goes with his parents and brother only. In the interval, his father buys peanuts for children. So as he goes with his parents, so in the interval, father buys peanuts for them and they used to eat. During that interval time, they stop to eat ice cream after the show is over. He calls himself lucky that he is a part of such a happy family. So all they are having their different characteristics, all they are having their different dream, and that Peter, he feels very happy, very lucky for being the part of this family, as he is having a lovely family. Okay, so hope you understood. I think you are also having different characteristics and different dreams also. So let it let it comes true. Okay, whichever dream you are having, you just try to let it come true. Okay, thank you so much. Be happy. Bye.